Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix network problem in your device Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. In this video, I'm gonna share few tips and tricks that you can use to fix it. If you found these tips helpful, press the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on your videos and stay updated. Let's get started.